So I would now change and show you how to change to wedge bonding. So to perform wedge bonding, we have first to take out the tool. So I put away the heater stage, and so an important thing to do is to take out the wire of the capillary. So if you now tear the wire, you could tear the ball into the tool and stuck the tool. So what I will do now is I will open the clamp, move away the clamp, and then there's different ways. What I usually do is I tear some wire down, I cut off the ball, and then I can tear out the wire through the tool. So now we're ready to loosen the screw, and so we take away our capillary. I've already prepared a wedge tool, so we have a wedge tool here. Okay, now I got a wedge tool here. The wedge tool, the interesting thing about wedge tools is they have a flat side. So you can see it if you make it to the side. There is one flat side. And the important thing is to have the flat side to the front. So it's the same procedure as I showed with the capillary. So I fix the transducer. Okay, it's in line with the transducer. What I will do now is I check if the tool is straight, so if the flat side is showing to me, to my side, to the front. It is. So now the next point is I thread the wires through the tool. It's a little bit more difficult than with the capillary because the tool is longer, so it's 90 millimeter long instead of 11 millimeter. So actually I'm using the same method as with capillary. So I hold the wire on the top with the right tweezer. I make a straight line with the wire. I touch it. I break the wire, so I have a long, about a 20 millimeter long piece of straight wire looking out. I push the wire through the tool, and now it's through. I still have a very nice straight end, so now I take with the right tweezer, I take about 3 millimeters of the wire, and okay. So now the wire goes straight through the tool, and we have a small piece of, let's say, 4 millimeter that's showing here below, so we can see it here, this piece. So this is straight enough, so I'm gonna take it with the right tweezer. Like this. And I push it through the hole, which is about a 45 degree on the bottom of the tool. Push the wire through, take it, and now that's it. So the next thing I got to do is I open the clamp, I bring the clamp back in position. Again, the wire here is not in the clamp, now it's in. Now we're ready to go. I bring back the heater stage. We have prepared a program, that's program number 1. You see that already the height adjustment is different, so the height setup is due to the longer tool, the work height is much higher. Okay, now what you can see is that we have thread the wires through the tool, which is in a 45-degree angle on the button of the tool, and now we have a few millimeters of wire sticking out. So I will start with the first bond. That's it. Now bond should be fine, everything.